Okay, so for prediction pipeline, we'll be creating one file inside pipeline called prediction.py. Okay. And inside that, I'm going to define a class called prediction pipeline. So here, what I'm doing, you can see I'm loading the model. Okay, loading the trained model. The model actually we have trained from the artifact model trainer. And after that, what I'm doing, I'm creating a method, and whatever data actually user is giving, I'm doing the prediction, and this prediction actually I'm returning. That's it. So this is the simple prediction pipeline, because inside prediction pipeline, you don't need so many things, because here it's a simple implementation. Going forward, whenever, let's say, we'll be implementing advanced cancer project, there will also show you how we can perform that test data transformation as well, because we also need to perform some transformation technique. Okay, so we'll be creating the sklearn pipeline for this. So I think you know what is sklearn pipeline. So this is a simple one. That's why we created the simple prediction pipeline as of now. Got it? Now, next, what we'll be doing, we'll be creating the user app. That means we'll be designing that HTML and CSS code. With that, actually, we'll be creating one user application, and there actually user can do the prediction. Okay, after that, we'll be deploying this project. And no need to worry if you're not familiar with HTML and CSS. You can get these kinds of, let's say, template from any kinds of website nowadays. And this is not your task. This will be done by front-end developer, okay, in your company. So no need to worry about that. I'll share my template with you so you can use them as it is. Okay. So now let's create the app.py.